Hi, my dear children. This is Prasanna, your maths tutor. Dear children, in the previous video, we have seen some conversions. Then, how half liter is equal to ml, that is milliliter, and how half a kilometer equals, and how half kilometer can be expressed in meter. So, these are the things we discussed yesterday. So, in this today's video, we are going to solve these story problems. So, let us pick the first one. Let us take the first story problem, that is, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Then how many seconds are there in half an hour? Look at here, 1 minute equals 60 seconds. We to know this, right? But they are asking in in 30 minutes, how many seconds will be there? Because half an hour means 30 minutes. So that we have to find out that how many seconds are there in 30 minutes. So for this, we write the 60 seconds, this is equal to 1 minute, and they are asking 30 minutes. So that's why we have to multiply this 60 seconds with 30, because this is the value of 1 minute and we are required to find out it for 30. So that 30 times 60 would be 1800. So in 30 minutes there will be 1800 seconds. Let's move on to the second, that is, the volume of the bottle of milk is 1/5 of the liter. Then what is its volume in milliliters? So volume of the milk bottle is 1/5 of the 1 liter. So 1/5 we write as it is, and 1 liter mean 1000 ml. We know this, right? So 1/5 of 1000 ml we have to find out here. So both 5 and 1000 are coming in the fifth table. So that is why we are going to cancel this 1000 by 5, or else divide 1000 ml into 5 parts. So when you make 1000 ml into 5 parts, then each part would be equal to 200 ml. Or else if you divide this 1000 by 5, your quotient would be 200. Then 200 into 1 will be 200. So that volume of that milk bottle in milliliters would be 200. Let us move on to the C question. That is, an apple weighs 1/4 of kg. Then what is its weight in grams? So this is the weight of an apple, that is 1/4 of 1 kg. So we know that 1 kg means 1000 gram. So that 1/4 of 1000 gram. So when you divide this 1000 gram into 4 equal parts, then each part would be equal to 250. Or else if you divide 1000 by 4th table, then your quotient would be 250. So that weight of an apple would be 250 gram. Let us move on to the next question, that is D, question D, right? It is, yesterday Anjali drove 2.5 kilometers to the school. So drove is past tense of drive, means she is driving a car, right? And she already drove 2.5 kilometers to the school. Then how many kilometers and meters did she drive? So distance covered by Anjali to the school is 2.5 kilometers, and we know that 2 is already 2 kilometers, but half kilometer mean 1 kilometer mean 1000 meter, but half kilometer mean 500 meter. So that she totally traveled 2 kilometer and 500 meter. Let us move on to the next question, that is D. No, it is E. A big fish tank has a capacity of 900 liters and it is already half filled. Then how many more liters of water need to be added to fill it up completely? So they have given the capacity of the fish tank as 900 liters, but this is empty fish tank, right? The total capacity of that fish tank is 900 liters, means that fish tank can hold 900 liters of water, but right now it is empty. But if the capacity of that fish tank is half filled, which means if you fill that fish tank in half, then it would be how much? Then half of the 900 liter would be how much? It is 450 liters, which means before it was empty, then afterwards if you fill that fish tank in half, then it would be 450 liters of water will be there in that fish tank. Then still how much liters of water you need to fill it up in order to get that tank completely filled? So it is already 450 liters filled, so still we have to fill another 450 liters of water, so that fish tank would complete, means would completely filled. So liters of water required to fill that water tank, to fill that fish tank is 450 liters, right? Let us move on to the next question. It is, if I ran 3/4 of a kilometer, then how many meters did I run? So this is the distance I already covered, that is 3/4 of the kilometer. So 3/4 we write as it is, but kilometer, 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter, and if you want to find out the 3/4 of 1000 meter, so divide 1000 into 4 parts, then each part would be equal to 250, and still 3 is remained here. You can look at here, in the previous question, if you divide 900 by 2, answer would be 450, because there was only 1 in the numerator, but here 3 is still remained. So that is why 250 and 3 must be multiplied. So it's so simple. Divide this 1000 meters into 4 parts and consider 3 parts. So 3 parts mean how much? 250 plus 250 plus 250. So that it would be equal to 750 meters. So distance I ran is how much? 750 meter, which is 3/4 of 1 kilometer. So 3/4 of 1 kilometer is always equal to 750 meter. Now let us move on to the next question, that is, Mary buys a reel of thread for sewing, right? So she bought a reel of thread for the purpose of sewing. Sewing is nothing but stitching, right? And there is 10 meter of thread on the reel. So there is already 10 meter of thread on the reel, but she used only 1/10 of the thread. So how much of the thread in centimeter she has used? So total length of the thread on the reel is 10 meter, right? But out of 10 meter she used only 1/10 part of it, which means, so we write 1/10 as it is, and 10 meter equals 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, whereas 10 meter equals 1000 centimeter. So in this 1000 centimeter she used only 1/10 part of it. So divide this 1000 centimeter into 10 parts and take one part, right? So if you divide 1000 by 10, quotient would be 100 centimeter, which means she has used 100 centimeter of thread from that reel. Let's move on to the next question. It is, 1.5 liter oil means what? So 1.5 they said, which means 1 liter means 1000 ml and half liter means 500 ml. So if you add them both, it would be 1500 ml of oil and 3 and 1/4 of meter. So 3 meter means, look at here, they are asking the answer in centimeter, so that 3 meter means 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So 3 meter means 300 centimeter, and also it is 1/4 meter, which means 1/4 meter of 1/4 meter is nothing but it is 25 centimeter. So that 3 meter means 300 centimeter and 1/4 of meter is 25 centimeter. If you add both, it would be 325 centimeter of cloth, right? And last question is 5 and 3/4 of kilometer. So 5 kilometer means 5000 meters and 3/4 kilometer means it is 750 meters. So when you add both 5000 and 750, it would be 5750. You look at here, if you want to understand this 3/4 kilometer, look at here, it is 3/4 of, yes, 3/4 of kg is 750. Then similarly 3/4 of liter is 750. Similarly 3/4 of kilometer is 750 meter, and this 750 meter as well as this 5 kilometer. So 5 kilometer means 5000 plus this 750 meter would give you answer as 5750 meter. So this is how you can solve the questions.